What's happening with it, y'all? Welcome to another motherfucking episode of Hood Eats.
Hey, Daddy.
What's up, man? I am your boy, Top Shelf SHAK, sitting next to the very beautiful
Top Shelf Tea. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hood Eats, episode number
27. Yeah, my bad, y'all. I had to turn on that air. It is hot in Cali.
You already know, though. It is hot. Open up my van. I normally don't have them open.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, episode 27, and we're going to...
We are going to the Snack Shack. That's where we're going, to the Snack Shack. This is a highly requested Hood Eats.
For a very while.
Yes, for a long time. Are we going to let them know the inside on this one?
Yeah, I got a confession to make. We got a confession to make.
Just a true little confession.
We did this Hood Eats a few episodes ago, nigga, and we lost the fucking... Well, I lost the footage. We did Snack Shack, bro. We know you been... The homie been in this in the comments like, hey, nigga, do Snack Shack. Nigga, I ain't even gonna lie to you. We did it the day I interviewed Ralphie.
Yeah.
Ralphie the Plug. The day I interviewed Ralphie the Plug, the second time I interviewed Ralphie the Plug.
We went to the Snack Shack.
We was at the Snack Shack that day.
And you know what? Honestly, it's all good because I can't honestly remember how it tastes. So this will be a cool little one.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Not like it's a bad thing because I do normally remember how stuff tastes. I think it was fire, so.
We will be headed, I think it's East LA, considered East LA.
Yeah, it's in that area. Like borderline Watts, East LA area.
Yeah. So that's where we're going to be headed real quick, just to, you know.
Just check it out one time, you know.
Oh, yeah. They come for the coffin. Hey,
so, after that coughing, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all can do it while he was coughing, matter of fact.
Like and subscribe. Like and fucking subscribe, nigga. So what's up with y'all, though? We never asked that. What's cracking with y'all, man? Y'all alright?
Hopefully you guys are. Hopefully y'all smoking a blunt with us.
Hell yeah, light up, nigga, because we finna go get something to eat from the Snack Shack real quick.
Yeah, go get some real good food.
And make sure you watch all the other vlogs. Make sure you watch the interviews. Make sure you watch all that shit I got on here. Hood Eats, interviews, reactions, behind the scenes.
We even got a couple of Refused radio shows on there too, so go check that out. Go check, see what about to come back real soon, you know, coming soon, Refused radio. Look out, be on the lookout for that.
And my story times be that hot shit. So, until then, we finna smoke the rest of this real quick. We finna pull up the Snack Shack and show y'all what time it is. And love y'all niggas, like and subscribe. See y'all niggas in a minute though. Yeah. What's cracking with y'all niggas, man? We have made it to the motherfucking Snack Shack, nigga. We gonna tell y'all what's cracking. What? Look at the prices. Hell yeah.
What else am I gonna get?
Well, prices.
They got chili Fritos, so you know I'm not gonna get chili cheese Fritos. Alright.
Sorry, may I help you?
Hey.
Hi.
Can I have a chili cheese bacon burger?
Chili cheeseburger with bacon?
Yep.
Do you want everything?
Yeah, let me get it just how I come. And can I get some mayo added on that too?
Yes. Combo or just a burger?
Just a burger because I want to add some chili cheese Fritos too.
Okay. And you want a soda or no?
Yeah, let me get a soda.
What kind?
Right there.
A Sunkiss.
Okay.
That's perfect.
What else, baby?
And let me get a hamburger with lettuce.
Lettuce?
Yeah. With the meat cooked extra well done. And chili cheese fries.
Okay.
Yum.
I'm going fat on y'all.
This smells good out here.
With a
Only one. Uh-huh.
with a 7-Up.
Okay.
All right, mama.
1584. Yeah, just one minute.
Hey
How much?
guys. So we at the snack shop. They got a lot of interesting black stuff on the wall.
I gotta use the bathroom.
Me too. A lot of black history stuff. Yeah. I gotta use the bathroom too. That's what happens when you be drinking. At least they told people that their prices increased 30%, but you don't know how long ago that was. Either way it goes, their prices is fire.
Look at you. Can we get a thumbs up for T to start her own YouTube? Huh? Can we get a thumbs up for Top Chef T to start her own YouTube? You be looking good.
Thank you. Top shelf
Thank you.
clip.
TSC.
Hey. See that haircut though, huh? He killing it. He's sexy. Ooh. So yeah, so I got a chili cheeseburger with fries. No, not with fries. I got a chili cheeseburger with bacon and chili cheese Fritos. I forgot what he got already. That's bad. My brain is only worth a little bit sometimes, especially when I be drinking. I know I gotta pee. What you getting? That's so not fair. Top shelf, please. A little bit of Bella. That's horrible. Edit. No.
That's hilarious.
That's not hilarious. Look at this nigga. Fucking pissing. That's not hilarious because I gotta pee. That's gross.
I just pissed by the car.
That's gross. It's like a cat or a puppy. That was gross. I'm hungry now.
We'll see you guys. We'll see you guys later when the food comes.
Bye, guys.
Love y'all. We out. Let's go.
Alright.
What's up? We got the food. We
Hey,
got
y'all.
the food.
I got some ghetto, old school chili cheese Fritos in this
Hell
bitch.
yeah. Shout out to the nigga that just recognized me at the shop at the snack shack, nigga.
Yes.
Shout out to you, nigga. Good looking, like I told you, for watching my shit, my nigga. 100.
That's dope. That's always dope. And that's just goes to show, if you see either one of us out there, don't be afraid to
what's
say,
up.
hey, hi, how you doing? Because sometimes you don't never know, like, what people be looking at. And honestly, I never know. So, say what's up.
That was
That was dope.
Yeah, that was dope. You don't show them nothing. We got the chili cheese fries cracking. Ghetto chili cheese fries at that. That's what's up.
I showed them the chili cheese.
Oh, you showed them what's cracking?
Mm-hmm.
I'm slipping. I ain't even see. No fork? A spoon?
Got a phone.
A spoon?
I'm dead serious. I got a spoon for my chili too. Okay. This is old school. 100% fire
Yeah, this is fire.
for the chili cheese.
Chili
Real.
cheese fries.
It would bring me back to Audubon. Swear to God.
You
We
stay
are
gangbanging.
It does bring me back to Audubon.
You nigga be banging on the hoodie. Yeah, cuz, remind me of Horace Mann.
That is good.
This chili cheese fries is fire. I'm not gonna lie, but
I
they
chili
gave,
cheese fries is
they
fire.
gave me a spoon. I can't even really get the gist.
That's good.
Chili cheese
know.
fries gotta get a 4.
Okay.
Solid 4 though.
Well, my chili cheese Fritos get a 5, hands down. But my burger, not even my burger.
Your
I'm
butt?
burger. I'm gonna give it a 4.5. Honestly, it's pretty fire. I let them give me all that hot relish and shit. It's fire. Good chili cheese bacon burger. Definitely will fuck with it again. Like I said, for the prices, you definitely can't beat that. Can't lose.
This shit was cheap as fuck. See what these niggas talking about on a good old burger. Y'all know me. Regular burger, cooked extra well done.
And y'all know me. Let me taste some of his fries. Okay. I like those. Those are good. I would have to give them a 4.5 though out of your 4. I like the chili cheese fries. I know we got different taste chili cheese fries too that we like. But I like that a lot. Uh-oh. I feel like one of my babies is calling me, guys. That's my mom. But yeah, this is really, really good, guys. I'm loving this food.
The burger.
Snack Shack.
I'm giving the burger a 4.5.
See?
It's a good ass burger and chili cheese fries, girl.
This is my favorite right here. She brought me back.
Fire. Look at us.
Well, guys, we're not gonna sit there and just smack
Oh,
your
yeah.
face like that.
Yeah.
So,
There it is, Snack Shack. My boy. If I remember my nigga name, I gotta
Justin
shout
Brown.
him out. Wow. That's his name. Justin Brown? Shout out you, my nigga. We went to Snack Shack again.
Yeah.
Just because you requested it again. Like I said before, we went once, lost the footage. Make sure you like and subscribe. What they gotta do?
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Top Shelf to you guys. This is Top Shelf Jack. We out of here, you guys. Love you guys. Bye. Don't
Yeah.
forget to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.